the Cure SMA founders, Sri Lakshmi Garu and Archana Garu, and along with three other mothers who are very diligently carrying forward this mission, Cure SMA, because they know what it matters, how to bring, to raise a child with all kinds of resistance in the society, looking at the society, creating awareness, and also at the same time raising the kid with no deficiencies whatsoever. That's how Pratyush could get into the IITs. Appreciate the efforts of Sri Lakshmi Garu and Ramarao Garu.
She's also IIT.
IIT. I couldn't take your name.
Anushka.
Anushka and Pratyush both got into IIT because I always believe if God takes away some of your faculties, He would more than double other faculties. I believe this. I believe a faith. Therefore, I believe that God has been much more kinder to you in terms of creating that, is endowing with such magnificent talents of getting into the IITs and also getting into high paid jobs or whatever. I mean, which not only in terms of payment but also giving that kind of respect to the society in the society, that you are more acceptable, and society also becomes more inclusive with your participation. And I thank Dr. Radha Garu, Chendo Garu, for having given their best in this field, for all the enthusiastic supporters who have come over here to promote the cause of SMA, as given a lot of awareness by the doctors present here about how it can be prevented, how it can be detected, how it can be cured, how it can be treated. All those things have to go into the society very, very widely. Everybody should understand in a very, very lucid language. And would be parents, would be couple, I urge all of them to know about this, spend some time in learning about this, because it's going to change the country forever. So, as Kerala has achieved some good zero SMA cases and also giving free medicine, we also request, we would, on behalf of the Cure SMA Foundation, we would send a request to the government of Telangana to help give free medicines to the affected persons and also help the families. So, to create more awareness in the society, on the 9th of August, the Quit India movement, the day signifies Quit India, so Quit SMA.
So, but unfortunately, if you don't diagnose the disease early in life, then the effectiveness of the drug is not that good. So that is the reason why we need to identify. There is a diagnostic odyssey for a diagnosis for this disease. Some people even wait for years to make a diagnosis. So for this reason, we need to know, awareness about this disease and what are the diagnostic facilities that are available. So all the medical profession should be aware of this disorder for a early diagnosis. So as we all know that the condition is caused by a particular gene called the SMN gene, and this gene produces a protein called the SMN protein.
All members of Kursime Foundation, I express my sincere gratitude for taking out the time to organize and attend this meeting for
And the media people who are supporting us, I request them to spread this awareness and request them to join this run for SMA event on August 9th at Gachibowli Stadium, because awareness is prevention basically. Yeah, so it's more awareness we can prevent this deadly disease. So we request media to spread this awareness.
So on 9th of August 2026 at Gachibowli Stadium, we all from Curasame India are waiting for as many participants, volunteers to join us in creating awareness for SMA, career screening, genetic counseling, as well as prevention and respect for those living with SMA. So we please come in large numbers to support this cause There is a free of cost career screening happening there with help of one of our very supportive, doctors who has created this test, Dr. Chandak. So this is an opportunity for all of you. This is generally very expensive test, but happening free of cost for all of you. This is going to help create awareness. So we really want all of you all to come and support this cause. So kudos to Kurosame Foundation of India and Sri Lakshmi, my colleague, who has been, somebody spearheading this cause at in Hyderabad and in India. And yeah, so please come and support us. We all look forward to many large number of people coming forward to support us. Thank you very much.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఆగస్ట్ 9th 2026 సండే పొద్దున 6 AM రన్ ఫర్ SMA అనే ఈవెంట్ గచ్చిబౌలి స్టేడియంలో నిర్వహిస్తున్నాము. ఇది కేవలం SMA అనే చాలా దారుణమైన డిజీజ్ అని చెప్పాలి, చాలా డివాస్టేటింగ్ డిజీజ్. ఈ డిజీజ్ గురించి ఎవరికి ఎటువంటి అవగాహన లేదు. అందుకోసమనే అవగాహన కలిగిద్దామనేసి ఈ రన్ ఫర్ SMA అనేది చేస్తున్నాము. కాబట్టి ఇది కేవలం రన్నింగ్ కాదు, అందరూ తెలుసుకోవడానికి. ఈ రన్లో అవగాహనే కాకుండా SMA క్యారియర్ స్క్రీనింగ్, అంటే మీరు క్యారియరా కాదా అనే టెస్ట్ కూడా ఫ్రీగా ఉచితంగా నిర్వహిస్తున్నాము. ఎవరెవరు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉందో అందరూ చేయించుకోవచ్చు. ఆ టెస్ట్ ద్వారా మీరు క్యారియర్సా కాదా అన్న విషయం తెలుసుకొని ఫ్యూచర్లో మీరు ఫ్యామిలీ ప్లాన్ చేసుకునేటప్పుడు మీరు జాగ్రత్త వహించవచ్చు. SMAతో బాధపడే పిల్లలు పుట్టించకుండా మనం జాగ్రత్త పడితే రేపటి రోజున SMA ఉన్న పిల్లలు తగ్గిపోతారు. సో తప్పకుండా అందరూ వచ్చి ఈ టెస్ట్ చేయించుకోండి, రన్ చేయండి, అవగాహన కల్పించండి. ఈ టెస్ట్ మామూలుగా అయితే 5,000 రూపాయలు ఉంటుంది బయట. సో ఇది ఫ్రీగా నిర్వహిస్తున్నాము. సో దీన్ని అడ్వాంటేజ్ మీరు తీసుకోండి, అందరూ చేయించుకోండి. రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ చేయించడానికి డీటెయిల్స్ మీరు ఇక్కడ ఇది QR కోడ్ స్కాన్ చేయొచ్చు, లేకపోతే వెబ్సైట్కి వెళ్ళచ్చు, ఐఫినిష్ వెబ్సైట్కి, లేకపోతే ఫోన్ నంబర్ 8885004858 కూడా చేసి ఎక్కువ డీటెయిల్స్ కావాలంటే కనుక్కోవచ్చు. ఎటువంటి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ కావాలన్నా మీరు ఫోన్ చేసి, మీరు ఒకవేళ ఏ రకమైన సహాయం చేయదలుచుకున్నా కూడా మీరు కాంటాక్ట్ చేయొచ్చు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.